Hi, welcome to another Hip Pause video. Today we're doing what's in my fridge. It's beautiful. So I actually haven't been on a detailed trip in the fridge for a while. So we'll start from the side. We have capers. I've never eaten those. I don't know what they're like. Then we have courginions. I think they are kind of like capers but with onion. Then we have apple and pear chutney. I've also never had that. Then we have, I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's mustard in Welsh. This is from Christmas. Cranberry sauce. Then this mysterious little sachet, I actually forgot this was here. I think it's probably gone off. It came in salad a few weeks ago. So then we have cheese. Open cheese. I think we have two open at the same time by accident. I think they're the same. Then we have, I think that's stuck. Then we have some sugar-free jam. And then we have some tomato puree with a really mouldy lid. That's kind of beautiful. I think this has probably gone off too. I opened that like months ago. It's some Spanish tomato sauce. Then we have Kerrygold butter, which rattles. Then we have some Gold Top milk. 2 bottles of that. Then we have lacto-free milk. Let's put the cheese back. Then we have this really nice yogurt. Beige coconut. It's quite proteiny, so it keeps you full as well. Then we have some Madagascan vanilla custard. #1 Waitrose. Another pot of this yogurt. Then we have Yo Valley yogurt. A few days out of date on that one. Then we have a trifle also. A few days out of date. Then we have some yogurts. I just ate 2 of these. So yeah, I just ate 2 Petit Filous. Yeah. Then we have some open pesto. Then we have this sauce, which I actually opened a few weeks ago. I think it's frozen to the back of the fridge, so we'll just zoom on that one. It's really greasy sauce, but I guess it's alright with pasta. Then we have this soup, carrot and coriander. Then we have eggs. These are fancy eggs. We've got 2 boxes of them. This is the part where I have to put everything back. I didn't pack this fridge. It was the person who lives with me. Then we have blueberries. Tasty. Then we have an apple pie. Then we have some broccoli. Some gone off broccoli, that is. And some gone off asparagus. So that's beautiful middle shelf. Then we have some cheese and onion sandwich filler. I had some of this with my supper last night. Laughing Cow. A bottle of wine. I'll get this stuff out first. That is sweet potato and butternut squash cooked in spices. Not cooked by myself. Little quiche. Bag of salad. Looks a bit frozen. A bottle of wine. Then we have a salad tray. And here we have some gone off Actimels, a pack of beetroot from Co-op, an onion, spring onions, chives from the 12th of March that I think I need to throw away, Monge Chew, really old, a lemon in a bag, a salad, another salad, we never use the salad, and another salad, and a stir fry. And that is our beautiful fridge. We also had this weird little freezer box thing. We never go in there. I can't even get out what's in there, but it looks like broccoli, a freeze thing, and then some mussels. Great. So that was a really pretty fridge tour. I hope you liked it. Great fun.